Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are selling a Scania, so we need to clean it up and fix some small issues. Edin?
Yeah.
That is getting phone, so it's ruined our intro. We are cleaning up the Scania now. We have sold it to a good customer from Bergen who has this is the 6th truck I think. 2012 model, 500,000 kilometers. You can see the chassis and paint is very nice. Almost no rust. So now we clean it inside. You can see here, Wery is doing a good job. You can see the seat and everything is very good. Very nice. Try to start it. A little, it's not so much air in here now. 516,000 kilometers. So it's in very good shape to be a dump truck with that kilometer. Here you can see the dumper box is in good shape. So, but we have one little issue here. It's leaking from the air who is taking the load off this axle. So you can take the pressure off, so you have more pressure on the axle, and that is a relief valve or something here, and that is leaking. But I don't know if it's leaking. I have a new one, so we need to check if we can fix it or replace it. So I have a little soap water, spray it on here to see what's wrong. I take on this, and for that to work you need to take on the first on differential lock. Take on the handbrake, and then you push the bottom, and you can hear the new one here, because I thought we need to fix it, so I buy one. Here you have it, a brand new one. So then we try to remove it. First double check if it's 100% right. It should stay like this. Looks right. So then we need to take off this first. See if something of this fits. I think maybe we need to lock it first here, and then try to loosen it. So now we have mounted, so now we try see if it loosens. Then we need to try this one. was on the air, and then we have one on this other side. Now we are on other side, and here is the last one. Try with this one. Off. Then it's loose. Here it is, leaking everywhere. So here is new, here is old. See, yeah, I don't know if you see it, but it's same number here. So then we have it. Then we need to, first thing we need to do is to screw this one into here. This should be a blockage. Then we put in a new one. And then I like to spray some WD-40 here, and I take it down a little, then it's going much easier. You can take it by hand, or it can be a little tricky with this big one if it's sticky to get it inside. If you need to use tools down here to hit the right place, it can be a little tricky and much more time. So and then we have the last one. So then we have the new valve in. Everything should be fine. Now we are testing. Take this down from the truck, or it will fall off with the vibration. Moment of truth. Some air. Now we try. Great. Can't hear any noise. Can see bubbles. Some very, very small here, but so little. You can hear it. Like this, and you take on and you can hear. And now we're taking it off. So when we are activate this, the air is filling this air pillow, and the axle is pressing down the weight. So it's this one is almost just down to the ground. It's much easier to turn around the vehicle, the truck. So now it's okay. I can set the camera here and take it on and off, and you can see. Now we have washed it inside, clean up here, and we need to change some light bulbs. It was a park broken here, so we need to change it. Andre is with us today. He's gonna be a YouTube star with his good kayak. Fan. Jeg driter. Yeah, and there's one down here. I keep saying sure, another long one coming, another door to the floor. And then it's this one. I can taste it now, the brown bottle glow. I got a little anger and a little need to go. Whiskey and broke it. Whiskey and girls. See if we get in stock. 24 watt. No, 24 volt, 5 watt. Let's try this. Come on. Dust on my jeans, lunch in a paper bag, barely live between. The crew hits the parking lot like a slow release. One hand there, then we try. One hand on the piece. By the time oh, crazy. So as you can see, working fine. This working okay. This working okay, but we need to change this LED sheet. This side don't work, but that's okay. We can use a package, and then because this one not working, so then we take one here and one on the other side with the white in front here and red in the back there. But we don't have that in stock here, so we need to drive to Volvo and buy it. Are you klar, Andre?
Yes.
So now we have bought new lights, so we need to replace this one and cut it somewhere here. So we have a little, if they break this again, they have some cable to fix on it. Du mener det, Tore? Ja. Vi var film nå, så du må ikke si alt. So here is the cable, go inside here, so I think we cut it here. It is cut before here, so try. So then we have cut it, mounted here. And we have cut it so we have a little cable here if it's broken something later, and we will mount it on here. So now we have mount this, and then we have worm here. Then it's totally water resistance. Now it's working, so we just need to mount this cable so it's fast and good, because when you get dirt and snow and something, and they will push the cable and throw it out. So take it good now, and the other side. I was working here now. This one was broken, so fix fix this one too. So then we mount off this. You can see here, this is not the best. Good to get on a new one. Now we are going to get some new tires on this, so it's in good shape when we deliver it.
Zoomer vi inn her, ja.
Here is my neighbor. I get very much money to have him here on work because he's a little unstable. New tires, good. Øyvind Linde, best service in Sogndal. So then we change the tire now. We have taken off the handbrake and jack it up, so now we loosen the nuts here and take it out. Happy Friday evening.
Clock out with the moon, hands all on the leather, back still bending too. Boss keeps saying hold on, I keep saying sure. Another long one coming, another door to the floor. I can taste it now, the brown bottle glow. I got a little anger and a little need to go.
So now this is changed. Here you can see the aluminium rim cover is right. This rim is right for this cover. And here is what I have drawn with before. You can see it's a centimeter between here. So it's actually a wrong cover for this rim. And you can see here we take off the handbrake when we loosen this, because it's drum brakes on this. And if you have the handbrake on, the brake pads goes onto the shoe. Sorry for my English. It's you will damage the brakes, so you need to take off the handbrakes. So we're gonna lay on this tire. It's very important on the inside here. It's loose rust, so need to remove that. So now we have changed tire, clean it inside, make it ready, fill on almost 10,000 NOK in diesel, so the customer is happy. This is the truck number 6, I think this customer is buying from us, so it's a good customer. Good summer tire, mounted. We're gonna drive it 10 minutes now and check the bolts, so it's okay. So if that loose, you smash the hub reduction in 2 minutes. So fix everything, lights, gravel spreader up inside here. It's not painted red because the dumper box was silver when we bought it and never use it. but I don't think the customer is using it also, so it was not necessary. But now it's Friday evening, 21:30, so we're gonna make it. We're gonna take the day off now, and tomorrow we're gonna check the oil on the differential and gearbox, everything, so it's just ready. Maybe take off the logos. See you tomorrow. Now it's home. So, new day. We are gonna deliver this truck in Lærdal to the customer. Saturday. Ready to a little drive.
Paint pictures in a drawer, face down, I can't stand all that we were, all that I still am. I got the night shift in my veins, walk these streets to outrun pain. Every siren knows my name, I don't break, I bend and change. Yeah, I'm lonesome in the rain, but I hold that thin knife edge. I'm a wreck, but I remain. I'm a man.
Okay, now on the ferry, Manila-Fodnes in Sognefjorden. Very nice here, good temperature. It's a little bit rainy, but it's summer, so it's good. Går bra, Silje?
Yeah. Now we are on the ferry.
So then it's delivering. Park it here. Customer come in 2 hours or something. Get him a very good truck. Thank you for watching the video.